Vision transformers changed computer vision by replacing convolutions with attention. But here's the problem. Pure vision transformers actually forgot something extremely important about images. Images are local. Nearby pixels are strongly correlated. And CNNs were naturally good at exploiting this. So the question became, can we combine CNN inductive bias with transformer global reasoning? That's exactly what CVT answers. The original vision transformer splits images into patches and treats them like tokens in NLP. This gives global attention but introduces three issues: weak local feature learning, high computational cost, and heavy dependence on positional embeddings. CNNs, on the other hand, naturally provide locality, translation invariance, and hierarchical feature learning. CVT proposes merging both worlds. CVT introduces convolutions directly inside the transformer architecture, not as an add-on, but as a structural redesign. Two key innovations make this work. As you can see here, these two blocks are the key innovations they provide in the CVT architecture: the convolutional token embedding and the convolutional transformer block, which is given here. Instead of splitting images into fixed patches like VIT, CVT uses overlapping convolutions like this to generate tokens. This means tokens already contain local spatial context. Resolution gradually decreases and feature dimension increases across stages. So simply that means the number of tokens get reduced, but the richness of these tokens increase. And this is just like CNN feature pyramids. The architecture becomes hierarchical, similar to ResNet stages. So early layers learn edges and texture, while later layers learn semantics. In standard transformers, Q, K, and V are produced using linear layers. Actually, these must be Q, K, and V. CVT replaces these with depth-wise separable convolutions. Why is this powerful? Because attention now understands local spatial structure before computing global relationships inside this multi-head attention module. Even better, keys and values can be downsampled using stride. Attention cost drops significantly and computation reduces by about 4 times with minimal accuracy loss.